Hi, hello, welcome to your English YouTube channel. Today topic is degrees of comparison type 1. Degrees of comparison type 1. There are 3 degrees of comparison: superlative, positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Example: clever, cleverer, cleverest. Positive degree clever, comparative degree cleverer, superlative degree cleverest. 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Now let us assume there is a school and there is a class. In the class, these are the students: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. These are the students of a class, and according to their progress, the progress card has given, and they got these respective ranks. A got first rank, B got second rank, C got third rank, D fourth rank, E fifth rank, F sixth rank, G seventh rank, H eighth rank, I ninth rank, J 10th rank. These are the respective ranks. Now this is the scenario: a class, and these are the students. They got these rank. Now who got the first rank? A got the first rank. Generally, who got the first rank will call as the cleverest. The cleverest. So according to this, we can say A is the cleverest student in the class. According to this, because A got the first rank in the class. A got the first rank in the class. According to this, we can say that A is the cleverest student in the class. A is the cleverest student in the class. Positive degree means it's saying about only one person. Comparative degree means we are comparing the things one to another. We are comparing the things between two. Here this is cleverest. Superlative degree comes in the picture when there are n number of things, more than 2 things. So according to this, A is the cleverest student in the class. A is the cleverest student in the class because he got the first rank. No one got the first rank. So A is the cleverest student in the class. This is superlative degree. A is the cleverest student in the class because A got the first rank. A is the only one student who got the first rank. Remaining all got the respective ranks, not the first rank. So A is the cleverest student in the class. This is superlative degree. Now our query is how to convert this into comparative degree, how to convert this into positive degree. Yes, conversion of the superlative degree into comparative degree and positive degree, and vice versa also you can understand by this. Now first we will write comparative degree. Comparative degree, we are comparing, take the same scenario. Now this comparison between two. Now this A has to compare with remaining. There are only 2 things to compare. A is one group and remaining all one group. Now this A has to compare with this group. This group has to compare with this group. In this group A is the only one. In this group all the remaining are there. And now what is the item we are comparing? Ranks. So clever, cleverer, cleverest. And coming to compare to cleverer, we have to take that. So now we are comparing A with this group. So comparative degree, we are comparing A. So it comes, comparative degree comes from this side. So then this entire group has, we have to keep a name for this entire group. Now this A is comparing with the entire group, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. These are all one group. This is comparing with this. Now we have to keep a name for this group. So comparative degree comes from that side because we are starting with A. So the answer starts with the subject, same A. A is cleverer. This is the degree of comparison. Cleverer, comparative degree, cleverer than any other. We have to keep a name for this entire group, that is any other, because no one got the first rank. So any other. A is cleverer than any other. The group name is any other. A is cleverer than any other student in the class. A is cleverer than any other student in the class. This is comparative degree. We just compared this A with the remaining student. We compared A to the remaining students, and we called all the remaining students in one group, and we named the group any other. and comparative degree comes from this side. So we have to start with A. A is cleverer than any other student in the class. A is cleverer than any other student in the class because no one got first rank. So clear. Meaning there is no change in the meaning, but the degree changes. And next, how to convert this into positive degree? Positive degree. Take the same scenario. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 lines. Now we have to say positive degree. Positive degree. Now we have to talk about A, the positive thing. Positive thing means we are comparing the degree that clever, cleverer, cleverest. Positive degree is clever. Yes, it is matter of ranks. So now it takes from this side because no one got first rank. No one got first rank. A is the only one who got the first rank. So we have to talk about the positive degree about A. Then it will come from this side because here no one got the first rank. It will come from this side. Now this group, the entire remaining, as the name, is no other. No other. If it comes from this side, the name is any other. Comparison. When it comes from this side, positive, the name is no other. So no other student, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J didn't get the first rank. So no other student in the class, no other student in the class is as clever as A. No other student in the class is as clever as A. No other student in the class is as clever as A. That is the positive degree. So this is a classroom. These are the students. This is the ranks they got. According to this, A is the only one who got first rank. So A is the cleverest student in the class. Superlative degree. If you want to convert that into positive comparative degree, we have to compare this A with the remaining to the remaining. So then we have to make the remaining into a group and we have to name that group. That is any other. It starts from comparison with A. So it starts from A. So it comes from this side. So the name of the entire group is any other. So A is cleverer than. That is the comparative degree. Cleverer than any other boy, any other student in the class. That is comparative degree. Positive degree means it goes from this side. We have to talk about positive thing of A. So it takes from this side because no one got here first rank. So now this time if it goes from this side, the name for this entire students are no other because no other student got the first rank. So no other student in the class is as clever as A. No other student in the class is as clever as A. That is positive degree. Yes. So A is the cleverest student in the class. Superlative degree. A is cleverer than any other student in the class. Comparative degree. No other student in the class is as clever as A. Positive degree. Yes. Always do remember. Yes. Superlative degree. Yes. Before that, D will come. The THE will come. After comparative degree, THAN will come. Than. After comparative degree, THAN. Superlative degree before THE. Positive degree, as. In some cases, so as. Yes. Superlative degree, THE will come front of that. Front of the superlative degree, we have to use THE. After that comparative degree, we have to use THAN. This is mandatory. This is mandatory. This is mandatory. This is also mandatory. As plus positive degree as. Observe here, as clever as. Cleverer than. Comparison means than itself, greater than, higher than, lower than, smaller than, bigger than, like that. Yes, than and the. So positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. A is the cleverest boy in the class. A is cleverer than any other student in the class. No other student in the class is as clever as A. I hope all of you understood the Type 1. If you understand this, then it will be very easy. You can practice a number of things. Yes, just the name change. In place of a name will change. In place of this degrees of comparison will change. That's it. Ashoka is the greatest king in the world. Ashoka is greater than any other king in the world. No other king in the world is as great as Ashoka. Like that, simply. Yes, you can understand the soul of this. Then you can practice a number of examples. Only the change is names. Ashoka is the greatest king in the world. Ashoka is greater than any other king in the world. No other king in the world is as great as Ashoka. I hope all of you understood the concept of type 1 degrees of comparison. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. Thank you.